Coming out of 508. 509 is the motor number. Solorio, McMillan, Hop, Nickum, and Michael. Got Nickum. Out of Winfield, Kansas. Greenfield line. He's going to go along the go 17 by Daniel Solorio. Out of 509. 510 is the motor number. Got Tasbeer, Hanson, Harris, Mobley, Mack. Christopher Hanson, William back on 48 like the line. He's going to go along the 775 like Jimmy Harris. Hanson and Harris out of 510. 511 is the motor number. 51, 35-year-old intermediate. Got Brock, Ortiz, Johnson, Jennings, Jones, Beck, Bertrand, King, two runners to a semi-main event at the line at 128 by picking up that first spot is Derek Green.